Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Berkshires. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I went on a peaceful weekend getaway to the Berkshires to enjoy the beautiful scenery and outdoor activities. The Berkshires refers to a rural region in western Massachusetts known for its picturesque landscapes, cultural attractions, and outdoor recreational opportunities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.